never say they want it. Girls can't never say yeah. Girls can't never say they need it. Girls can't never say nah.
And in today's video, I have a special guest with me. The one and only, my baby, my man, my caramel drop, my everything, my little sugar dumpling, my little all of that, my baby Aaron. And he is going to do a voiceover for me. So yeah, if you guys want to see that, then stay tuned. But before we get started, I did want to let you guys know that this video is in partnership with Nadula hair. I have been working with them for a little minute now. The hair that you see, that red bob, I've had it for like 5 months now. Before it was longer than this, but I just cut it because I was tired of like a long red wig. But I really love this hair so freaking much. And if you guys want this specific hair, I will leave the link to it in the description box below. But if you're going to get this hair, let me tell you something right now, okay? Wait until November 11th because they will be having a huge sale. So if you guys want to save your coins, get your discounts, your coupons, all that good stuff, save your coins, sis. Save it. Then definitely wait until November 11th because they will have a major sale. All right, I'm gonna shut up now and I'm gonna let my baby do his thing.
Yeah. You can't die. Girls need love. Girls need love. Girls need love. Girls can't never say they want it. Girls can't never say yeah. Girls can't never say they need it. Girls can't never say nah. Girls can't never say they want it. Girls can't never say yeah. Girls can't never say they need it. Girls can't never say nah.